Hi, I am the doctor. Today's patient is 2014 Ford Focus. I'm going to show you what that fault code is. It's a fuel rail pressure sensor and a sensor. It all came up. So I'm going to show you what tools you need and how easy it is to remove it. This is the tools you need. You need 24 sockets to get around there. You need an extension. You need a ratchet. 13 to hold the back end. And this is for the other fuel rail sensor on the side, 24 wrench. Let's get going now. This is for down here. First, we disconnect right here. Dark right there. Let's try to get some light right there. See this? Bing, pull down. There it is. Then, for the 13, you're going to hold this little groove right here to hold this so it won't move. Put this in there like this. It's got to be gentle because it's a lot of weight. Right? So all you have to do, is just break it like that. There we go. There we go. This is it right here. Right here. This was ordered right here from Auto Parts through Amazon. This is the one I just took off. Okay, let's put this in now. Don't need it really tight, I just need to snug it down. See? Because this is on the line. That's it. Just like that. Probably one more good time. Put it right in there. Not easy. As you see right here, on these, it's 3 pins. You see how it goes like in a special order, like 1, 2, and then it goes up at top. 3. Same way right here with this one right here, in the same order. Hope, see if you can see it. See how the pins. You got to get everything the same. The pins are the most important parts. Groove how it goes in, because it's very important. It's very important that they match up. This is the old one, as you see real good. Now that's the new one right there. Same exact thing. Same exact way. Now, it goes like that, right there. Hold it right here with 13, 24 your socket or wrench. Just pop it out. You don't need to try to ratchet it out. Just pop it, and it comes out, and then it's connected. I am the doctor. Now, it was a fault code P0193. That's for the pressure sensor, fuel pressure sensor, and also the fuel rail pressure sensor. That'd be a different video. But subscribe to my channel. Tell me what you like, and I'll answer any questions there for you. I am the doctor. I'm here for you. Peace and have a nice day.